Welcome to Automotive Reviews TV. Today, we bring you an exclusive detailed review of one of the most powerful and iconic machines in the world of agriculture, the CLAAS LEXION 8900-06 Combine Harvester. When it comes to size, performance, and harvesting technology, this machine truly stands in a league of its own. Let's begin with the exterior of this beast. The CLAAS LEXION 8900 is not just a machine. It's a statement of engineering excellence. The 2026 model features a commanding presence in the field with its bold design, aerodynamic body lines, and distinctive CLAAS branding that proudly showcases its heritage of German engineering. The massive 45-foot header at the front instantly grabs your attention. It's designed to cover maximum ground in minimum time, making large-scale harvesting more efficient than ever. The header system is equipped with advanced cutting technology that ensures precise crop handling, reducing losses and increasing yield quality. At the top, you'll notice the large, bold text that reads LEXION 8900-06, symbolizing the latest generation of this legendary series. The grain tank boasts an impressive 18,000-liter capacity, allowing for extended operation without frequent unloading, which is ideal for vast farmlands and commercial farming operations. The high-performance track system on this machine provides enhanced stability and traction, even on uneven or muddy terrain, reducing soil compaction and ensuring smoother operation across different field conditions. Moving to the rear, the design is equally robust. The massive rear wheels and advanced unloading auger system are designed for high-speed grain offloading, minimizing downtime during peak harvest. Powerful LED lighting surrounds the exterior, providing excellent visibility for working in low light conditions or during night operations. The overall build quality reflects durability, practicality, and unmatched attention to detail. When it comes to performance, the CLAAS LEXION 8900-06 truly sets the bar. Under the hood, it is powered by a mighty MAN V1 engine that delivers a staggering 790 horsepower. This ensures that the harvester can handle even the most demanding harvesting tasks with ease. The ABS-SYNFLO hybrid threshing system guarantees high separation efficiency while being gentle on the grain, preserving the quality of the harvest. Another standout feature is the CMOS automatic optimization system, which continuously adjusts settings in real time to maximize efficiency and performance. Whether you're harvesting wheat, corn, soybeans, or other crops, this intelligent system adapts to changing field conditions, reducing operator stress and boosting productivity. The combine's fuel efficiency is also noteworthy, considering the scale and power it delivers, thanks to its optimized engine performance and lightweight yet durable construction. Now, let's step inside and explore the interior. The operator cabin of the CLAAS LEXION 8900-06 is designed with both comfort and functionality in mind. The spacious cabin provides excellent visibility of the field and header, allowing the operator to maintain complete control at all times. High-quality materials and ergonomic seating ensure operator comfort during long working hours. The cabin is equipped with state-of-the-art digital displays that provide real-time data on harvesting progress, machine performance, and fuel consumption. The intuitive control panel and joystick system make operating the combine straightforward and efficient. Noise insulation is superb, ensuring a quiet, stress-free environment inside the cabin, even when the machine is working at full capacity. Additional features include climate control, Bluetooth connectivity, and advanced camera systems for monitoring all angles of the machine, enhancing safety and precision during operation. Overall, the CLAAS LEXION 8900-06 is more than just a combine harvester. It represents the pinnacle of agricultural innovation, combining brute strength, cutting-edge technology, and unmatched reliability. Whether you're a large-scale farmer or running a commercial agricultural operation, this machine delivers the performance, efficiency, and comfort needed to maximize productivity and profitability. Stay tuned to Automotive Reviews TV for more in-depth reviews and latest updates on the most advanced machinery in the agricultural world.